Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have. It is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then go to the general, then swipe down and click transfer or reset iPhone. And here you're going to find the option called reset, so let's just click on this one. And here you have the option called reset all settings. So what you want to do is to click on this one. And after all, you want to click reset all settings. I'm not going to do this, but keep in mind that if you click reset all settings, it is going to reset all the settings on the iPhone. So you're going to lose your Wi-Fi passwords, your Wi-Fi settings, everything that you have set, for example, on the screen time, or everything anywhere in the settings is going to be resetted to the basic settings like on the new iPhone. So after clicking reset all the settings, you are going to be asked for the password. And again, you're going to be, are you sure to continue? Then you're going to be asked for the password. And this feature is going to reset all your settings to the factory ones. And yeah, this is it. So, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!